Intel Core i5 for our customer's office bill. Thank you, Ma'am Geraldine, for trusting PTTIT Solutions. This PC build is a solid and cost-effective choice for an office setup, offering reliable performance and features tailored for productivity. The Intel Core i5-1 0400 provides excellent processing power for multitasking and handling office tasks, while the MSI Pro H410MB motherboard ensures compatibility and stability for the system. The inclusion of 8 GB of Kingston Fury DDR4 RAM is sufficient for general office work, but upgrading to 16 GB will be beneficial for more demanding multitasking or memory-intensive applications. The combination of a 256 GB SSD and a 500 GB HDD strikes a good balance between fast system responsiveness and ample storage for files and media. This build is highly suitable for an office environment, providing a smooth and efficient experience for day-to-day productivity tasks. With minor upgrades, such as additional RAM or quality PSU, it could be further optimized to ensure long-term reliability and performance. Intel Core i5 office build is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your Intel Core i5 office build too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.